Hey guys, welcome. Today we're going to be testing out a product from Nighthawk brand called Wicked Citrus. So this rainbow label that's really difficult to read says, Nighthawk Brand Wicked Citrus is a water-based, long-lasting, all-in-one cleaner, dressing, and protectant. Wicked Citrus uses gentle citrus-based cleaning agents to safely remove light grime from multiple surfaces. After grime is removed, surface shined and with a level of UV protection. Wicked Citrus takes care of most cleaning, shining, and protecting in one. It says heavily contaminated areas may need to be cleaned with an all-purpose cleaner or interior cleaner prior to use. Use in a small area. High gloss, full strength, satin finish, 1 to 2 to 1 to 5, leather, 1 to 5 to 1 to 10. So, let us try it out. First, the bottle is hard to read. I recognize that the new TTR and the CTX V2 are not, so my hope is that they're switching over to something that is less hard to read. The directions say spray onto the surface, agitate with a brand scrub pad, and then wipe away. Okay, well, we're gonna test the door panel, and this door panel has some shine on it. We'll say some lotion or something along those lines. So we'll put a little bit on here, and we will see how she does. So it's got a good scent. It definitely smells citrusy. Kind of reminds me of like Pledge. Not that the scent is exactly the same, but obviously that's lemon. But I guess lemon is a type of citrus, right? So it's definitely shiny, but it's actually not too bad, even at the high gloss finish. Nice sheen. Yeah, this works pretty well. I hit the glass, wiped it right off. I'm gonna have to get this window retinted. There's a bunch of scratches on it, I think from a ring. Women are so hard on cars, I've noticed. Maybe not all women, but everyone I've ever dated. It's like they wear flats and somehow they have like a whole gravel pit on their side of the car somehow, and I don't know. Anyway, all that to say, this car is fairly dirty for how often it's cleaned and how few miles it has on it, but anyway. Yeah, so this works reasonably well. You're supposed to dilute it a little bit further for leather, but it seems to be doing a great job. This isn't real leather anyway, it's vinyl, right? 'Cause it's a C-level Mercedes, not an S or something, G-Wagon, something crazy. But a little bit of shine, certainly not bad. We'll hit the steering wheel with it, see how that does. Didn't take the color off. Seemed to do a good job on that. Yeah, so all in, I would say this works pretty well, honestly. Smells good, not too shiny, even, you know, at the shiny mixture. The big thing is like, I don't know, the Nighthawk stuff seems to come back to like the gimmick for me, right? Like the rinseless is great, but if you get it on your hands undiluted, it'll turn your hand blue. And the drying aids actually work well, but they turn your hand colors as well. And then like this has like a rainbow label that's like really freaking hard to read. And I don't know, the products work well. Just keep it simple. Pull the ties out of it, have simple labels, things that people can read, and I think they'll do well. I really do. Because the products work well. But anyway, that's all I have for today. Very quick video. I'll put a link down below to where you can get Nighthawk. It's not an affiliate link, but just helps you get there. There's other links there as well for House of Rags and OG and other places. If you click any of those, it helps me out. Doesn't cost you any additional money. And it's one of the ways that you help to support my channel. But yeah, that's all that I have for today. I would definitely use this. It works really well. But obviously you can dilute it a little bit further, but it's not bad. Usually when somebody says you can dilute an interior dressing a little bit further for satin finishes or for matte finishes, I like have to, but this did a good job. So that's it. Thank you. Have a great day.